All right, what is up? It is your boy. I am back yet again with another review. We have the Air Jordan 11 Cherry Reds. Let's take a quick look at these bad boys. Quick joke, if Zadis Kicks offers you these for $130, do not buy them. Obviously, he sold 600,000 pairs in a little Ponzi scheme, allegedly, of the Jordan 11 Cool Grays, but we have the Jordan 11 Cherry Reds dropping this December at a price of $225. Material on them is just okay. Let's take a closer look at these bad boys. Alright guys, so this is kind of just your typical Jordan 11. The cherry red color definitely pops. I think these are going to be super popular. As you know, Nike will most likely release a ton of these pairs and they're going to do shock drop them on sneakers. They're going to make probably 1 million pairs like they did with the Cool Grays and all that and the Jubilees, and they're going to sell out for sure. But like we've seen this year, a lot of things have sold under retail. These, when the mock-ups came out and other pictures started to drop, were like super popular, but I've noticed on Instagram lately, the popularity has been coming down as some other big releases have come out. I want to know in the comments below what you guys think. So at a price of $225 dropping in December, are you guys gonna cop these bad boys? Definitely let me know. I'm gonna give them a B-. Not really my style and my favorite pair of Jordans. The red pops out a little too much for me. They are gonna get super dirty, but definitely a fire pair. Kind of reminds me of something that you'd see like a Dallas Cowboys fan wear around town with like their blue hat on. I hate the Cowboys, but other than that, they're a pretty fire pair of shoes. Like I said, subscribe to this channel. We just like to show you guys some quick hitting reviews. Subscribe to my Instagram at Chris Colgan. I'll see you at the top or from the top. Peace.